asuntoskeittiö Näsinselkä.
Yes, and today is the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. We have Jänislahdenkatu 7, staircase A here, and Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland, with 8 floors. The best is 4 persons or 325 grams. Or is it 320? Let's see.
Yeah, I think.
I guess actually 320.
Yeah.
Yes. It was built in 1974, turned 45 years old in 2018, and the serial number is 3651. It will be inspected in 2023. And we're going to explore this suburb today because it's something that we wanted to do before, but we went to a lot of other ones here.
Yeah.
In Tampere, of course, but this is this we're gonna do today.
Yeah.
We're gonna do all of them that we have in this area.
Yeah.
And maybe one example of a scenic elevator as well that is newer.
Yeah.
We'll see that. And the 1990 is also not far from here. And those 1990s seem interesting also.
Yeah. I have seen some elevators here in Lentävänniemi also.
Yeah.
In 2018.
Yeah, yes. But now we're going to do the rest of them.
Yeah.
I hope we will also find codes that they're not too difficult here.
Yeah.
For the ones of the important ones.
Yes, of course. Expected like you asked, meidän tässä on 5 euroa.
Sounds right. Yeah, this is another district where they're actually going to build the light rail, so. So the Zantalahti extension from Pyrikitori will be finished in 2023, while the extension to this district or the suburb will be finished in 2024, a year later.
That's
it.